Kind of young enough, maybe 16, 17. I remember working in a furniture factory in Dublin. I was kind of probably under 18 at that time, and writing some tunes there on the work cards. But I never really kept track of those. I discovered a couple of them years later in an old suitcase. I'd say maybe around 150 or that sort of number. There are some tunes that might be called after me or that sort of thing, just because maybe I happened to play them at some particular time in my life. But overall, there's really only a few tunes that are kind of probably known or recorded by others or that sort of stuff. And even a lot of the tunes I've written I haven't played publicly or that kind of thing, so, and wouldn't even be familiar enough to do that. No, I'm kind of lucky in that respect, that if maybe sitting having a coffee somewhere, maybe out somewhere or anything, I can put the tune to paper and without an instrument, so it's kind of handy that way. There was a session in Letterkenny, which was the nearest session to me, and ran by Cavan man, Hugh McGovern, fiddle player. And there was some excellent players like Vincent Campbell and Frank Kelly, Denny McLaughlin, and Tony O'Donnell, different ones, and loads of others as well, local to Donegal alone sort of thing. So they were tremendous influence on me. The old guys in the Pipers Club and the Church Street Club, they were better teachers than any I met in the classroom. I still think that about traditional music today, that young, old pensioners, mere children can all take part together and appreciate each other. It's, I didn't expect it for one thing. It's a wonderful honour, and I treat it as such. It's no more than the other two. I didn't expect those either. And my earlier years, I might have tried my hand at competition and stuff. And no more than my occupational careers, I didn't have great success there. So I'm delighted, just delighted. Yeah.